Good morning. Today is Vlogmas day 6. I am doing some under eye gel patches, whatever you call them, masks. As you can see, I woke up this morning swollen. Like my eyes were swollen and puffy. And I don't know if it's like lack of sleep or what, but I got home late last night. I didn't realize I was gonna have to work that late. Usually we get out around 9:30. I got home at like 11:30. So I woke up at 9, but I was like tossing and turning for hours. It's like I told you guys, my body just doesn't let me sleep. Even though I need to sleep more, it will not let me continue to sleep, which is so frustrating. So yeah, that's why I have the patches on, because I just needed some hydration or something. And this is for puffiness. So yeah, I just got out of the shower because I went on a 40-minute walk this morning. I walked 2 miles and I feel really good about it, but I feel super bloated today. So it's really like a frustrating feeling when you're like, oh wow, like I finally exercised, but I feel so big in my stomach right now. And it's just gotta be bloatedness because last night I ate a bunch of fried food from work because I was so hungry, and I took a nap and I forgot to eat before work, and I didn't bring any food and I just didn't even think about it. And I got to work and I was so hungry, so I ate a bunch of fried food. Fried food always bloats me, so I'm gonna drink some green tea because I cannot stand this bloatedness feeling. Like I literally feel 9 months pregnant, and when I know that like my stomach normally doesn't look like that, it just bothers me like crazy. So I shampooed my hair with a cheaper shampoo in an attempt to continue to fade my hair color. I don't even think it, you know what's so messed up about having like semi-permanent crazy colored hair is you'll be trying to do stuff to fade it and it won't work. But then you're trying to make the color last and it'll fade. I swear that's how it is. It's so frustrating. But it's already noon, you guys. We don't really have any plans for today. I gotta like come up with something fun for today's Vlogmas. I'm not sure yet. I'm just gonna come up with it off the dome whenever it just comes as a thought in my mind. I had thought about going to Sally's to get the hair dye and doing that. I almost have enough money, but I don't have enough money. It's because we're getting paid on Wednesday and it's Saturday. So yeah, I know it seems really random because it's only a couple dollars, but yeah, budgeting guys. But anyways. You're a soldier?
And I'm saving the world. I mean, I'm saving the day.
Saving the day.
Oh, only the day. Okay, I gotcha.
Because I'm saving the day because I've been hitting, with a magic wand that freezes people.
Don't hit your sister.
Yeah, that's why I'm saving the day.
Okay.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, stinker.
I got money. Hey, here's crazy.
Who taught her that?
I don't know.
No, I just do that. I'm like, money. Money. Look at this. It's actually quick. Money. It's question. Get it on me. You're gonna get the money on me. Say the word of the shape. Get the money on me.
Triangle.
Get the money. Get the money on me. Wait. Find the things that do not belong in the refrigerator.
A car.
Yeah, there's more things.
A teddy bear.
Hey, smack something. What do you think? Good.
All right, So we came out to get some wine and beer because we don't have any in the house. It's a necessity. And also I went to get a hair dye from Sally's. I realized I had another reward, so I was able to get it. And they didn't have the violet shade in Iro, so I just ended up getting the blue. So we'll see what happens. I feel like this is definitely not going to be enough for my hair. It's only 4 fluid ounces. But I might end up doing like an ombre with the leftover like purple rain that I have, maybe, possibly. So I don't know, we'll figure it out together, guys. But I got the blue, and she said that it could turn out violet-y because I have purple already that's red toned plus the blue. So we'll see. I still fell asleep. Also, Bailey cut me like really, really bad. It hurts so bad. But I put that liquid Band-Aid stuff on it. No, liquid skin, something like that I found at Dollar Tree. It's basically like super glue, I feel like. But I think it washes off.